topic under 5 minutes. Maths. Solving quadratic equations. Solving quadratic equations means finding the value of x. Quadratic equation means explicate that the highest power of x is 2. Like a typical quadratic equation is written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. What is a? Any coefficient of x square, whatever is the coefficient of x square is called a. Coefficient of x, whatever is there before x, that is called b. And whatever is the constant term which does not have x at all, that is called the c. That is their fixed notation a, b and c. Let's quickly try take an example. So suppose I have an equation 7x square minus 6x minus 13. Okay, suppose this is the equation is equal to 0, and I have to, this is a quadratic equation, of course this is squared, so it's a quadratic equation. Now what are the steps to solve this quickly using a special method called D method? Now this is a very mechanical method. You don't have to apply any brains in it. Splitting the middle term, you have to apply some brain. D is a very mechanical method. You just start writing, follow the procedure and you will get the answer. Okay. Now what's the procedure? First is identify A, B, C with the in-K coefficients. Let's do that. So what is A? According to this equation, this is A. A is equal to plus 7, right? What is B? This is B. Coefficient of x is called B. So B is equal to minus 6 and C is the constant term which is minus 13. So the first step in solving using D method is identifying A, B, C, the coefficients. Okay. Then you have to, second step is quickly calculate B square minus 4AC, which is denoted by a capital D. Simple, not much to be done. What we'll do? We're doing the second step, calculating D. The formula is B square minus 4AC. Let's try and calculate. B square means A is 7. Oh, minus 13. Be careful of the minus. So it becomes 36 plus 17 3s are 91 and 364, and this becomes 400. Okay. So we've got the value of D. This is an important value which you must always bold it up. Now, after you've calculated B, what you have to do is find root D. Okay, the next step is finding root D. What will we do? Root D is under root 400 in our example, and that will be 20. Alright, so this is the first step. This is the first step. This is the second step. This is the third step. And this is the fourth step. Now, we've already found root D. Now, nothing but last final step. We have reached the final step, finding alpha. The first one. Alpha is, as given in the formula, you can see the formula, minus B plus root D upon 2A. Let's put the value minus B. Minus B means minus of minus 6 plus root D means plus 20 upon 2A means 2 into 7. So what do we have? We have 6, we have 26 upon 14, that is 13 upon 7. So one of the roots that we get, this is the answer for one of the roots, 13 upon 7. We've got alpha, which is 13 upon 2. Now the second, you know quadratic equations always have two roots, two zeros, alpha and beta. We find beta. Again the formula is very clearly written, minus B minus root 3 upon 2a. So what we will do, we will find beta, which is minus of minus 6 minus 20 root t upon 2 into 7. This becomes 6 minus 20, which is minus 14. So it becomes minus 14 upon 14, which is minus 1. So the beta is 13 upon 7. Alpha is 13 upon 7. One of the zeros is 13 upon 7 and the other root is minus 1. So the objective of solving the quadratic equation, which is finding the two roots, is done. We found alpha as this, beta as this. Now, very one important point to be noted here is, you should first of all, though I've written it in the end, this is the foremost condition. This method can be used only if the value of b comes out either 0 or positive. So when we calculated the value of b, it came out plus 400. So it is definitely positive. If it is positive or if it is 0, only then तभी हम उसको आगे जा सकते हैं, तभी हम अल्फा निकाल सकते हैं, तभी हम बीटा निकाल सकते हैं. अगर वो 0 नहीं होगी तो हम 0 या पॉजिटिव नहीं होगी b की वैल्यू, तो हम ये मेथड नहीं यूज कर सकते. एंड यू विल जस्ट से दैट वी कैन नॉट फाइंड द रूट्स ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. अगर d की वैल्यू नेगेटिव आती है, वी जस्ट हैव टू मेंशन दिस इक्वेशन is we do not have real roots, or we cannot find the real roots of such a equation. I hope the steps are clear. Identify, find d, find root d, apply the two formulas for alpha beta, and you are set with the solution of quadratic equation. Thank you.